Hello, friends and knife nerds. Did Sam Liu of Miguron just make the best $30 folder out there? Quite possibly. This thing is sweet, and it's just $30 and like $5 shipping. Aluminum scales, they look great. These little milled pieces grab the hand really well. They're sharp enough to grab the thumb knives. They're not just for decoration. Deep carry pocket clip that goes in and out very well, even on a thick hem. Then we have a crossbar lock system, the post right there. Very smooth deployment on this thing. It's a smaller EDC, close to a fifth pocket, but not quite. It's just under 7 inches in length. I'll show you guys the geometry in a minute. So we have aluminum and D2 with a clip point, a sweet looking knife, cool design, pretty original overall as far as the aesthetic. D2 steel and aluminum for $30. Reversible, deep carry pocket clip, like I said. And looks like there's just some liner work inlaid for the crossbar lock, but otherwise you just have 2 chunks of aluminum. And you got a PVD coating on this as well. Sam Liu is an awesome designer, does most of the stuff over at Miguron, probably all of it. And I'm a fan. As you guys know, I'm a fan of Sam Liu and Miguron. So let's get some measurements here. And let's see, we got 2.8 inches about worth of that D2 steel. And then overall, we're looking at 6.75-ish inches in open length. Now, the action is absolutely awesome on this. If you like crossbar locks, this thing is sturdy. It reverse flicks very well. That is your method of deployment, the blade hole. Thumb flick or reverse flick. Choose your weapon. The reverse flick seems to be better, but that's just because I prefer reverse flick. I am not awesome at a thumb flick, as you could tell. So, the reverse flick is sick. This knife looks great. It deploys quickly. It deploys well. It's a light-duty knife, and it is ready for slicing whatever you have in mind, as long as you're not going to be using this for heavy construction, beating, batoning. This should take care of most any of your EDC tasks. And I dig this thing. This thing may be the best $30 knife out there. It is certainly up as a contender. Let me get a weight on this thing for you. It's clearly under 3 ounces. 2.58, well under 3. Super lightweight. I like it. Maybe not super lightweight, but definitely lightweight. Maybe super lightweight's closer to like under 2, but quite a value here. Nice and sharp, that D2 steel with almost a full flat grind. Really cool looking clip point, like almost reverse Tonto-y kind of blade. And even though it's not, I like it quite a bit. And he's really been doing a few cool $30 knives, but I think this is his best work right here in the $30 category. Really nice value. Let me bring out a couple other, the Kyrix, and of course, the Miguron. Give you an idea of what you're looking at. Crossbar lock Miguron, by the way, as you can see. And all 3 of these are really nice knives. And now this is maybe my favorite $30 knife out there. There are a couple really nice ones, even with like titanium scales. But this one kind of separates itself. You can feel the craftsmanship compared to some of the others. So I highly recommend taking a look. If a $30 knife made very well is appealing to you and you're a fan of D2 steel, this offers a lot at an amazing price point. So let me know what you guys think. I do recommend grabbing one. I'll have a link in the description in case you want to. And I'll see you guys in the comments.